All right, we're here at Sheetrock Day, finally. All of our utilities are done, electric, plumbing, HVAC, insulation. As you can see, we got everything insulated up here. Now we can start sheetrocking. You turn around, we got our shower painted. We didn't put our shower diverters in yet because we're gonna run cement board all the way to the ceiling anyway. So we don't have to have them in yet until we do cement board. You know, we have our plumbing stubbed up, our water line stubbed up for the shower diverter. Everything else is insulated. We got our plumbing here for our double vanity. Electric's all done, all the wires are cut in. So when we go to roto zip it, we don't cut the wires. And here we're all ready to go. I guess previously said we're just gonna sheetrock to the sheetrock here. Sometimes it's easier just to leave it and sheetrock over it, in my opinion. Come downstairs. Dan already started skim coating stuff. As you can see, we did do a little bit of sheetrock on this wall. He's skim coating down here. We do have to do the bathroom over here. We have to put mold resistant sheetrock in the bathrooms, but all of our plumbing's roughed in, electric's cut in, roughed in. We tried to insulate this wall as best as possible with some foam board because it's cinder block and there's no room to get regular 2x4s in this wall with a tub being here the way they built the house. Obviously, we have some sheetrock started down here because I wanted him getting skim coating the first floor, getting that ready. That room's on its way, it's getting skim coated. You come down to the basement. Our basement's all framed up. Plumbing's all done. We got our soffit built here for HVAC because obviously we won't be drop sealing that. We'll sheetrock this soffit and then we'll drop ceiling to the soffit. We got that all built up, nice and ready to go. You know, this is our powder room / laundry room for the basement. Down here, we're just sheetrocking the walls, other than the soffit, because we're gonna put a drop ceiling. So that's what we got.
Let's get rocking. Sheetrocking.
We're all done sheetrock, baby. Took us about 3 days, 135 boards, and that was it. We got downstairs, we're starting the finished basement. We stood them up down here. We got our soffit we had to sheetrock around. Over here you can see more of the soffit. We had to sheetrock around, low ceiling at this point. Just, you know, you got to run your ductwork somewhere. So we got our home.
I mean, how tall are we? You and I are about 5'9", 5'10".
Yeah, I'm 5'10" on a good day, and I make it. So
right. So if you're 6 foot, you might have to duck a little bit.
6'2", you might, you know, but whatever. We got our laundry room / powder room down here. just got everything first coated because we got to move some stuff in here. We come around here, more of the finished basement. You know, we're doing drop ceiling, so we don't have to go up so high. Drop ceiling come about 3-4 inches down. We got our staircase sheetrock. You come over here, you'll see where the sheetrock meets the plaster. We didn't feel like taking this plaster down, so our spackle guy will skim coat it and then match it up to the existing sheetrock. Eventually, we'll replace the treads and the risers here to match up to the sheetrock. We might put a skirt for the staircase and then put the steps to it. We'll see what happens. We come up here. Most of the first floor, we kept the plaster, we skim coated, but obviously this bathroom, we had to re-sheetrock. What we'll do is we'll put our cement board up to the ceiling, tile up to the ceiling.
What is cement board versus
I mean, you can actually tile over sheetrock, but it's always better if you put cement board for tile.
Right.
You know, like a backsplash, I'll just
put sheetrock.
I'll just tile over the sheetrock. But for a shower, you know, especially you might get a little wet behind the tile for some reason. If you, in the far future, if you mess up, whatever, you know, sheetrock will really
disintegrate.
Just, you know, go bad really quick. It'll bond, the tile will bond the cement board a lot better.
Gotcha.
We got this this room we re-sheetrocked half. We got some insulation in the wall. You know, skim coated the rest of it. Skim coated this room.
This room we didn't take any sheetrock down, right?
Nah.
Okay.
You know, the kitchen we redid half the kitchen ceiling. The rest of it, the walls were plastered. We kept them. We just skim coated over it. Here is where we put our beam in, so we have to re-sheetrock this section right here. Come in the living room, all existing plaster ceiling, just skim coated. We did have to go chase over there for our ductwork going up to the second floor because it was the only way to get up there.
And we did this other side of the wall too.
We did that side of the wall. Also, we had to go to chase in this closet. So we had to actually shorten this closet a little bit. There was another like 12 inches further this way that we had to sheetrock in because we had to bring ductwork up there. Come upstairs, keeping all the same plaster. He's just going to skim coat it.
You skim coated that other side.
Yeah, this side's first coated at least. Now we get upstairs. This is all brand new sheetrock upstairs. So this bathroom you'll see, you know, we re-sheetrocked the bathroom. Over here, we re-sheetrocked this bedroom. These ones were pretty fun, these dormers they put in here. Now, if I really wanted to, I could have run 2x4s across or 2x6s, you know, ceiling rafters and then sheetrocked up to that, but you would have to try to match it up with this ceiling. It would have been a pain, so I just sheetrocked the way they had it before.
Looks nice. I mean, it's really nice and tall and
yeah, nice and tall and
spacious.
This dormer definitely makes the bedroom because I have where I live. It's a Cape Cod like this, you know, the angled ceilings, and it feels kind of small.
Right.
But with this dormer being high up and the window coming in, makes it actually feel a lot bigger.
Right. Yeah, it's really nice.
So same with this, you know, this side. You know, we met up the existing plaster here, re-sheetrocked this. You know, same deal with this side. Re-sheetrocked it.
So this side's basically a mirror. It's just a little bit smaller.
That's pretty much it. So Dan's gonna finish spackling. I gotta get the rest of the first coat on the walls. Dan will finish spackling, and then we'll prime it, and then we'll be good to, you know, trim, you know, do the bathrooms, do the kitchen, keep it moving.
All right, rock and rolling. Nicely done.